Food and Travel!
Thanks for joining us for our Inside Our Van Feature Pack Tour video. Today we're going to show you outside our van, aren't we, sweetie? Now, we've added a lot of features to the van since we've got it, and when we had it, we didn't even have a grey water tank now, did we?
Yeah.
So we installed 2 grey water tanks. They total 100 litres for both of them, but they're individual. One is for the shower and one is for the inside sink, and they both drain on this side of the van. We also have a little step there. That was already there when we bought it, which is good. And we also have the outside awning, don't we, sweetie?
Yeah.
So this awning packs out and gives us some shade when we need it, doesn't it? It's very nice. But we have to put it in a way in the wind, don't we, babe? Yeah. Now we also have the bike rack and the outboard rack. Now this packs out like this, so we can open the back doors and get some airflow into the van, which is great, isn't it? And that just hooks on there. So inside here are 2 mountain bikes, Susan's mountain bike and my mountain bike, and we also have the outboard motor here behind the mountain bikes there. We also have the reflective here for safety. Okay, now on this side there's a lot going on here. We have the freshwater mains for permanent fresh water, and we have the freshwater filling. Now to fill up the 2 tanks, our 2 freshwater tanks that total 170 litres, and they're both connected together, so we don't have to worry about changing over to freshwater tanks. Hey, this is the gas, where our gas goes, and this is our outside shower. So if we go for a swim, we can have an outside shower, which is great. Okay, and that's just our outside heater, right? Now coming around to the front, we installed a bull bar in case we hit any kangaroos, didn't we?
Yeah. This is protecting in the front.
And that's already protected us once, hasn't it? Yeah, and we installed this nice bright light. Any brighter than that and I think it would reflect on us too much, so that's just the perfect brightness, that light bar there. And now this antenna is for 3G and 4G telephone, isn't it? And so that's pretty much it down the bottom of the van. Susan's going to go up at the top and show you the top of the van, okay?
Let's show you guys.
Okay.
So I'm gonna show you on the top of our van. And we have 2 lights there at the back, and we have a reversing camera. And this is our 3 new solar panel in the toolbox. And the aircon. We have the aircon there. And we have 2 extra solar panel. And that's the toolbox, guys. We put the boat stop there. Yeah, the boat gear we put in there, the toolbox, inside the toolbox. And this is the 2 new solar that we installed. And this is the gas tank for our motor outboard. And this is our boat here. Inside the cover. Yeah, it's a collapsible bolt inside the cover. So and it's here inside our boat.
Inside the boat bag?
Yeah. And this is our boat bag that we customized for our boat, collapsible boat. Yeah, and this is another boat bag, and inside there it's inside the boat, collapsible. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching our outside tour in the van. Please don't forget to subscribe if you don't subscribe yet, and if you really like